Well, hello. In this tutorial, what we're going to do is explain how to load, first of all, a world in our gazebo interface, and then we'll show how to read a topic using the error bit. So, first of all, we have to run the ROS core thread. So we're running the ROS core, and next thing you have to do is download our repo using the hit command that is in our tutorial in the main page of the wiki. So once you have that and you have created in your personal folder, you have created the Catkin workspace and the source code, you will have this here, gazebo world. So here you have the models, and in this folder you can see what we are dealing with. So I'm going just to explain really quickly which is the kind of model we're using. In this case, we have included the model Pioneer 2DX plus cam. So in fact, it's just a new model that we have created in which we use the mesh of the 2DX Pioneer robot, and we have added to it a camera. So you will need to add in your gazebo you point gazebo models folder. You will have to add that model that is called Pioneer to the Xcam that we're going to upload in the wiki also. So once you have this, if we check the model, you will see that it's quite simple. So in fact, what we have done just is add a camera. Okay, that is here with the plugin. So in fact, this is just the code of the Pioneer, and here we have added the camera that is pointing to another model, as you can see here, that is called the camera plug. So let's open again the model. So we will have this Pioneer do the Xcam and the camera plug. So in fact, this is just a simple camera model, as you will see. Okay, this is the simple camera model, but we have added a plugin. So I put this here to remark the new part of the code that we have added. Okay, so here we have the plugin. So I'm going to just indicate it for ROS. Okay, so you can see that we're calling to this library here. It's just that. And let's check it out. So we have run the ROS core, and now we're doing well. We'll have to make in your computer. You will have to go to the Catkin workspace, and you will have to do a Catkin make. Okay. So if everything works fine and you have every dependency correctly installed, you will have your make created without any kind of problem. What are you seeing here? Okay, so once you have that, you can do the ROS launch robot mobile gazebo robot mobile launch. Okay, so when you do that, in fact, in this piece of code, what we're doing just is using a launch file in order to load the environment in which we will have the robot, we will have our camera, and also some other things such as the world in which we have a light also, and a classroom that we have modeled, and it will be also in the zip file with the models you can download. So once we are trying to load this, okay, you will see something like this. Okay, so in fact the simple case, it's just a cube that now it's a bit floating in the air with a camera and our Pioneer. So we'll have to click play. So this is just for debugging at the beginning. Okay, and to connect and to check if our ROS topics are being sent, what we can do is ROS topic list. Okay, so with the ROS topic list, we'll be able to see which things are being sent as a topic to the ROS interface. So we have here the one that is going to interest will have important interest for the moment, that it will be the camera. So what we're going to do is run the ROS run air bith again. So we're going to run the graphical interface of the airbit, so we can obtain information from the camera without using the gazebo interface. That's the main idea. So it's just for checking if everything is working properly. I'm going to pause the recording for a while. I think it's going to take some while. My computer is going very slow, so I'm going to pause it. Well, once you have loaded your airbit interface, we're going to click in add, and once the add is working, let's see if it works. Okay. So this thing to do is to go to by topic, and as you can see, the road mobile topic contains the image row that we're going to use. So if you want to plot properly our image, it will be better to use the image container. Okay, so let's click an image and let's check if everything is working fine. Okay, so once it starts updating, we'll be able to see what the robot in the gazebo um, world is plotting to the ROS. I'm going to try just to make this a bit bigger. Okay. So if we want to test the frame rates and other functionalities, let's add while posing a speed to our system. So we can go to models, we can select our robot and say we want to add to our wheels some value. So what I'm going to do now is to add 5 and 4.5 to the speed. Okay, and when we click play and we go to airbit, we'll be able to see the evolution of what the camera is looking at. Okay, okay, so in this tutorial what we were doing basically is to show how to integrate the gazebo and the ROS interfaces and correlate all the topics. So this is the first step. Then we will use Visp in order to get the main characteristics of this image and obtain the frames of the objects we want to use to create a navigation for our robot. So thanks for watching.